Hi, my name is Vivian and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to write character arcs within a series. Some people say that a character arc is when a character wants something but they discover what they need, which is the truth. By the end of the story, the character learns some kind of lesson which changes them for the better. But K.M. Weiland goes into much detail in her book, Creating Character Arcs. But today we're going to talk about creating character arcs in a series. So there are two ways to include a character arc within a series. If your series has one overall story arc, that is a serial. A serial has an overall story arc. For examples like Harry Potter, Star Wars, Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings, all the popular series that we are familiar with. You would also create an overall character arc as well. The character arc will begin in book 1 and it will end at the last book of the serial. The second way to create a character arc in a series is to create multiple character arcs within the series. An example of a series is Sherlock Holmes, James Bond, Jack Reacher. All these stories are following one person, and that person in each book is in a different situation. So if you're writing a series that follows one character and each book can be read by itself and in whatever order, then you can create different character arcs for each book. Example could be, let's say that in the first book in the series, your character goes through a positive character arc, and then the rest of the series, your character will have a flat arc. Think about Marvel movies where they are talking about one superhero, how he becomes the superhero. You can take that as the superhero going through a positive arc, and then the rest of the series, they're a flat character because they're saving the world. Overarching character arcs in a trilogy. Trilogies are easier to adapt in an overarching character arc because the 3-book format mirrors the 3-act structure in a standalone book. Act 1 is book 1, the character is entrenched in the lie. Book 2 is act 2, where the character embraces the truth and experiences the midpoint and changes. And then book 3, which is act 3, the character's life changes and your character will adopt a new life living in the truth. So that's an example with a positive character arc, but you can do the same with a negative character arc and a flat character arc. If your series is more than 3 books, the same principles apply. You just have to adjust the timing in order for the character arc to play out smoothly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos about writing tips and books. Also, I do have free how to create your character worksheets below. The details will be in the description box. Go ahead and watch the next video here. I will talk to you later. Bye!